Hi guys, I just made a few enhancements in the Relay Protection Coordination tool and would like to bring them to your attention. The reason why I made these changes is because I hate tools that are menu-driven, constantly jumping between your one-line diagram, your input fields, and your time coordination curves plot, with windows popping all over the place, adjusting one thing, scrolling to find another, losing your train of thought. I fixed that. 2 updates are online for your use, and I want to show you what they actually look like. First, the one-line diagram is now a live input surface. Every label you see here, transformer rating, HV and LV bus voltages, impedance, CT ratios, click any of them and you edit it right there on the diagram. For example, 132 kV, I click on it and can readily change it in situ. Same for 40 MVA here, click on it, change it, and then return. Same for CT ratio 200:5, etc. There you go. No menus, no scrolling. The calculation updates the moment you click return. The diagram and the time coordination curves plot stay in sync. Second update. The transformer damage curve is now draggable. In manual mode, you get 5 control points. Drag any single point to reshape the curve. Useful when you're matching a specific test certificate or nameplate data. If you mouse down on a control point and hold Ctrl and drag anywhere on the curve to translate all 5 points together in whichever directions you wish, and it's fully bidirectional. Change the values in the fields, the chart updates, drag the chart, the fields update. In formula mode, that's your T equals C over I squared curve. You drag the path vertically, the withstand time updates live. You're not typing numbers, you're positioning the curve relative to your relay characteristics and seeing the margin directly. And while I was at it, pickup drag on the relay curves is much smoother now. Look here, I drag the pickup and when you control drag, it shifts the time dial or TMS directly on the chart. Depending on whether you're working with SEL, IEEE and US standards or IEC and UK standards. Nice, isn't it? The goal with all of this is to reduce the distance between thinking and doing. The chart is where you make the engineering judgment. Everything should be reachable from there. Link in the comments. Free to use. No account needed. Let me know what you think. Cheers.